Hey, all you campers and RVers out there. This is a Friday evening, and usually on Friday evenings, if you're not full-time RVers, Friday evening is the evening that we pack the things up and we hit the road. Cause this is moving day for us weekenders. Whether we're going tailgating or we're going to the campgrounds and do some trail hiking or just hanging out with friends at the campground, this is the day to be doing it. It is a beautiful day here where I am, and pack it up, hit the road, and have some fun, y'all. And we can all do this again come next weekend. For the weekenders and the full timers, y'all enjoy this lifestyle because it is most wonderful. Maybe one of these days in the near future, I will be able to do the same. So until then, I will holler at you guys later. Go camping, everybody. Go camping.